Hello student, good morning. In previous video we have seen information about migrations. Today we will see the next point of this lesson. Which lesson? Population. Okay, lesson of 7. Population a resource. Populations. Just like natural resources are, you can see it is a very great wealth for us. That's like population is, you can say, wealth or resource for each and every country. Population is a resource is important for the economic, social, cultural development of any country. ओके कोई भी कंट्री है उसके लिए इट इज़ अ इकोनॉमिक, सोशल एंड कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट होने के लिए पॉपुलेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर, बिकॉज यू नो दैट पॉपुलेशंस, okay, any population of any countries, it is a wealth, okay, and it, you can say, share, we can say they are earn their earnings, okay, their properties, okay, each and every field in the economic factor. Rather than population's number, it is the quality of population which is important, along with the percentage of literacy, sex ratio and age group, health, educational level are also considered while taking a population is a resource. So okay, if you will see all the information about their sex ratio, okay, their age limit, okay, their age group, health, educational level, okay, all these factors are, you can say, regarding the populations, because we know that each and every country, okay, there are different type of population. Different type means there is a difference between age, sex ratio means male, female, their age group, their education level, their health, okay, in all these factors, okay, there is a different. So according to their age limit or their age, okay, they will do a different type of work. In the previous video also we have seen working population and non-working populations. Okay, we consider which working population is above 15 to 59, above 15 year to 15. Okay, this age group is called as working population or productive populations, because this age group is, you can say, very strong, okay, is able to do any work. But below 15 and above 60 this age group is called as non-working or dependent. Okay, they are not able to do any hard work. Okay, above 60 they are retired, only they can use their expense, they can use their experience to their children. So okay, with the help of their experience, okay, we will get different type of informations, but now they are not able to do any hard work. That's why this age group is called as dependent populations. That's why we can say that it is a very, you can say, it is a resource, it is a great resource for each and every country. The supply of skilled and unskilled labor depend on the quality of populations. Okay, skilled labor and unskilled, skilled or unskilled, each and every factories or companies, okay, they need skilled labor as well as unskilled labor. That's why this labor is, you can depend upon the quality of population. उस population का quality कैसा है. If anyone is, you can say, very qualified, okay, he is very fit, and you can say that he is expert in, you can say, computer field, so okay, he will get good job according to their capacity or their education. So but those people are not educated, okay, you can say illiterate, okay, it is called as unskilled in this way. So in the earlier exercise on the page number 42, you notice that there was an increased population in towns A, B. So okay, page number 42, okay, you will see page number 42. Okay, there was increase of population in town A and B. Okay, there are two towns A and B. The population is increasing. That's only means there was a growth of populations. वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Growth हो रही है. Population is increasing means the migration is increasing every day, okay, due to the migrations population also increasing, means population growth हो रही है. But can you say anything about the development of this town? मीन्स पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ हो रही है, मतलब उस टाउन का या उस मेगा सिटीज़ का डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. एम आई राइट? पॉपुलेशन सिर्फ ओनली पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग, बट मीन्स इन द proportion of populations the development is very low. If there are no house for this increasing populations, no adequate drinking water, then what is the use of growth only? If the state government as well as central government is not able to providing all the facilities, drinking water facilities, housing facilities, okay, education facilities, so what is the use of growth of populations? Population बढ़ने का फायदा क्या है फिर, है ना? That's why in those town are many people has additional drinking water been made available. How many children have started attending school, or which city are the people happier? Growth does not mean development. Means the people are very happy. Can you say? Means only population is increasing, but how many? Means how many children, okay, they are getting good job, okay, how many people are, you can say, settle, okay, if they have no their proper house, if they didn't get the basic facilities, amenities, so what is the use of, then what is the use of population growth? Means we can say that how many children have started attending school, उनके कितने बच्चे स्कूल अटेंड करते हैं. So okay, all these factors are depend according to their quality of population. किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हो? Quality of populations. So growth does not mean development. Growth का मीनिंग है डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. ओके, जिस प्रपोर्शन में वो ग्रोथ हो रही है, उस प्रपोर्शन में उसके जो पर्सनल मतलब उसके जो प्रॉब्लम्स, उसके बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो भी सॉल्व होने चाहिए. तब then the development will happen. Then now how can development be measured? So okay, your development, how we can development the measure, okay, this next portion dear students will see next video. So okay, today's we have seen the resource of population. Why we call the resource of populations? The resource क्यों है? Okay, so you know that it is a great wealth of any country, but it depend upon their quality of population. उसकी population की quality कैसी है? Okay, so according to their populations, or you can say according to the quality of populations, their development is measured. So next video we will see the next portion of this lesson. Thank you.